Welcome to our Style to Design channel, where we are flipping the real estate industry upside down in the best way possible.
Agents, buckle up because what we're about to share will upgrade your business model, your brand, but most importantly, your bank account.
So let's get into it. So here's the reality. Agents are taking shortcuts. Staged homes sell anywhere from 6 to 11% more than its competition, but most agents are using virtual staging.
No, but guess what? Virtual staging is the #1 thing buyers hate because they feel bait and switched.
So real estate industry is changing fast, and the agents who stay ahead and the agents who diversify their revenue streams and create unbeatable value propositions with sellers, buyers will maximize their bottom line.
That's where Style to Design comes in. We built an academy and platform that takes staging from fake virtual rooms to real clickable shop the room design with an easy click of a button.
Everything you see in our reality stage spaces is real. Real furniture, real decor, real products that your buyers can actually purchase. This is how our members are able to sell homes with design services included and make listings shoppable.
And here's the power move. You earn up to 30% cash back on those purchases.
Welcome to reality staging. Buyers want a vibe. They don't want an empty room. Who sells naked houses? Do you walk to a listing appointment naked? No, so why in the world would you sell a house and not showcase its full potential? Friends, listings are your resume.
Sellers want top dollar.
And you want to sell homes faster and stand out above the competition.
Style to Design delivers all of that. Our designs make your listings pop, not just in person, but online, where first impressions live or die.
Yes, when your listings look like Pinterest boards instead of sand beige empty boxes.
It sells faster, it sells higher, and you instantly look like the most innovative agent in the room.
Most agents rely on only one income stream, and that's commission.
And we're not doing 2008 business in 2025.
With Style Design, you can earn affiliate revenue, trade revenue, build out a menu of services with commission tiers, plus have a design consultation platform because you have access to over 1,000 different interior designs that will make your listing shoppable.
We've coached over 1,000 agents who have increased their revenue by up to 30% because suddenly real estate isn't your only paycheck.
So we didn't want agents to just use our technology.
We wanted you to master it and build authority, which is why we built an entire academy to help you.
So one of our most popular courses is our Stage Design Certification course, where you receive CE credit if you're in the state of Florida, but we're quickly expanding to other states, hands-on training, all of our real strategies that have helped us secure more listings, buyer appointments, and our entire blueprint for building out new revenue streams.
We don't gatekeep. If we know it, we teach it, and we want you winning fast.
So if you're an agent who's tired of feeling like everyone else is leveling up,
and you're ready to elevate your listings, your income, and your brand, then the channel is your new home.
We're dropping weekly videos on staging and design, marketing, business strategies, and behind the scenes of how we're building Style to Design.
And we keep it fun, real, totally unfiltered, no boring textbook energy, just value that actually moves the needle.
So, hit subscribe, join our community, and let's revolutionize the real estate by design.